All right, today we're going to talk about replacing a balance spring and also the clips. You may have a resident call and say they can't get the window open or closed. So hopefully I can show you guys something that'll help you out when you go do this. First things first, safety glasses. You want to take the blinds out just to get them out of the way. All right, to get the window out, you're going to pull these little tabs out on each side of the window. They just pop out like that. When you lift the window up, you want the spring to catch onto that and hold it in place while you take the window out. So raise it up to that point, go a little above the tabs, take one side out at a time. All right, set your window down. These are your clips right here. It's got one screw. Take your drill, your screwdriver. Take the screw out, slide your clip out, put the new one in. Screw that back in. Do the same thing to the other side. To get your balance springs out, you're going to lower, pull it out, raise it back up. You got a little hook here that sets right inside that square hole. Get your new one, put the hook in the square hole, pull down, pop it right back into place under that tab. Do the same thing to this side. Once you get that done, pick your glass up. Put one side in at a time. Set your window, close it, push your tabs in, and put your blind back in.